such a lie when you and I were forever one. Crazy days.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys ay magluluto tayo ng eel fish with premium light soy sauce. So nahugasan ko na tong eel fish na nabili ko. Ayan, it's worth 95 Hong Kong dollar. So ikakat lang natin siya ng manipis and then i-marinate natin siya sa cornstarch, white pepper powder and salt. So ikakat muna natin guys. Guys, so after mong nakat yung eel fish, ay i-shape mo siya dito sa giliran. So, ikat mo lang yung eel fish ng ganito lang siya ka nipis. Hindi masyadong manipis. And then, ikakat natin yung dito sa gilid ng V-shape like this. So, bunting lang ang ginamit ko guys para mabilis. Cut lang natin siya ng V-shape. Alright guys, so finally nalinis ko na siya. Ayan, at nakat ko na into a V shape. So, ang gagawin na natin ito is i-marinate natin siya sa white pepper powder. So, nasa sayo na kung gaano siya kadaming ilalagay mong paminta. Ayan, white pepper powder. And then, lagyan lang natin siya ng 2 teaspoon ng cornstarch. 2 teaspoon ng cornstarch. And of course, we use salt. 2 1/3. So, it's up to you na rin kung gaano karami ang salt na ilalagay mo sa iyong fish. And then, imimix lang natin siya. Alright guys, so before that, while waiting for our marinated fish, maghanda muna tayo sa ating seasoning. So gagamit tayo ng 2 tablespoon of premium light soy sauce. Use 2 spoon. And then, we use 1 tablespoon of water. Alright. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. So, ito lang yung seasonings na gagamitin natin mamaya para sa ating eel fish.
A few inches later.
After heating the wok, you can add oil. It's up to you kung gaano karami ang oil na gagamitin mo. And when the oil hot already, you can add now the fish. You just make it sure that you cook it side by side. And this kind of fish, you don't need to cook for so long. Right, this time you can add now the garlic and the shredded dry tangerine peel.